It's a concept so simple that it's a wonder no one thought of it before. Cablefloor is the ingenious response to the cable reticulation requirements of the automated office. The high-tech office revolution, with its dependence on computer networks and telephone facilities on every desk, has caused prolific cable growth. Existing methods for handling cables, power poles, skirting board ducting, and even exposed cables snaking through the workplace are costly, outdated, and often inadequate. Cablefloor has responded to the needs of the modern office with a unique raised floor cable management system designed and priced for the general office. Unlike traditional access floors, which are clumsy and costly when applied to broad areas of office space, Cablefloor provides a flexible and economic solution. It's a functional system that offers an orderly means of reticulating cables within a floor-level building cavity. Here we see Cablefloor being installed in the inquiries section of a major public utilities company. As with every installation, careful setting out is important. The installation commences from the right-hand end of the longest wall. The Cablefloor installation guide provides full details on setting out and installation. Cablefloor uses an ingenious understructure of connecting floor support modules, which are made of fire-retardant polypropylene and raise the floor height by only 60 millimeters or 2 3/8 inches. Once the subfloor has been swept clean, the support modules are taken from the pallet and laid out, either parallel to the setting out lines or parallel to the previous row, as is the case here. Now, the next square of understructure is positioned onto the interconnecting pads and clicked into place. The same procedure is repeated until the row is complete. Rows are laid down one at a time, reducing the need to walk on the cylinders. The understructure is fixed to the floor with adhesive under every fourth cylinder. This gap-filling adhesive helps overcome uneven floor surfaces. The particle board panels are placed carefully onto the understructure and loosely screwed down with 2 of the 4 nylon corner clamps. The previous row corner clamps are tightened. For every square meter or square yard of Cablefloor, there are 40 support cylinders, each capable of supporting 1 ton. Under each row of panels, there are 3 easily accessible cable channels, which provide immense cabling capacity for telephone, power, and data. Directional changes in cables can easily be achieved. The generous size of the raceways and the system of cable bridges separating cables at crossovers means that cables of different systems, including delicate optic networks, can be installed without need for sharp bends or rough handling. The installer prepares infills around the perimeter of the floor and around any columns. The procedure is simple. Around a column, the panel is measured and the unneeded part is cut away. 2 freestanding cylinders are screwed to the underside of the panel, close to the 2 outer edge corners. Because Cablefloor has been designed for easy, rapid installation, it can be fitted onto a subfloor of any shape. In the case of the perimeter or wall edge, the procedure is the same as with the column. The freestanding cylinders, once screwed to the cut panel, are fastened to the subfloor with adhesive and clamped to the whole panel behind them in the usual way. The nylon corner clamps have anti-squeaking webs separating adjacent panels, making the floor firm and noise-free. When finished with modular carpet, the resultant floor is pleasant to walk and to work upon. Cablefloor is ideal for both new and refurbished offices. It is easy to install and can be laid much faster than traditional access flooring. Cablefloor carries cables to any destination and allows any part of the office to be accessed. Indeed, changes in underfloor surfaces can be made quickly and easily with minimal cost and disruption. Cablefloor accommodates the telephone, power, and data cables that are the life arteries of today's offices. a total cabling system that ensures today's office for tomorrow.